Guys, are you looking to build a game application and you want to monetize your game application using Unity ads? Then you should watch this full video. In this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how you can build a mobile game application and how you can monetize your game application using Unity ads. You do not need to worry about coding knowledge, no worry about any kind of skills and experience, no worry about traffic. In this video, I'm going to share with you best method to build a mobile game application. You can build a mobile game application and then you can display Unity ads on your mobile game application. Here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Guys, first of all, you can go on Google, you can search your Unity. You can visit on this URL. You will then come to this page. Unity is a most popular platform. You can use this platform to monetize your game application. You can click on Unity Ads button. It will then take you to this page. You can click on Get Started button. It will then take you to this page. You can click on Create an Account button. Guys, you can continue with Google, you can continue with Apple, or you can click here. You can type here your email address. You can type here your full name. You can type here your password and then you can click on Create Account button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Guys, here you can see my projects. I have created some project. You can click on New button. Now you can type your project name and then you can click on Create button. You can type here your game name. First of all, let me show you how you can build a game application. Guys, do not worry about any kind of skills and experience. Do not worry about coding knowledge. I'm going to share with you best method to build a game application. After making game application, you can monetize your game application using Unity ads. You can go on App Creator 24 platform. Here you can see you can make your app for Android phones and tablets. It's free. You can show ads on your application. Here you can see this platform gets more than 5 million daily users. 2 million plus created apps, 1 million plus clients. Guys, here you can see you can decide what kind of app to create. You can create videos app, music, radio, chat, forms, games, quizzes, and much more. Here you can see some screenshots. You can create this kind of application. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can type here your name, you can select here your country, you can type here your email address, password. You can read and accept its terms of service. At last, you can click on Send button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on Create App button. Now you can type your app name. Now if you have made app icon, then you can upload your app icon. Or you can also choose from gallery. Here you can see there are a lot of app icons. You can choose any of this app icon. Now you can select your app language. You can type your app description. You can type for this kind of app description and then you can click on Next button. Click on Next button. Click on Create an Empty App button. Click on Go to App Manager button. Click on Sections. Click on Create Section button. You can scroll down. You can click on Game button. Click on Select button. Guys, here you can see there are a lot of games. You can select any of this game. For example, you can click here to select this game. You can type your section title. If you want to show leaderboard, then you can select yes option. I do not want to show leaderboard. If you want user login, then you can select yes option. If you do not want user login, then you can select no option. Click on Save button. Click on Back. Click on Create Section button. You can scroll down. Click on Game button. Click on Select button. Guys, you can select any of this game. Click on Select button. Now type your section title. Select your no option. Now you can click on Save button. Click on Back button. Guys, similarly you can add here lots of sections. Now you can click on Design button. Click on Menu Type button. You can select here any of this menu. I'm going to select here Slide menu. Click on Save button. Now you can click on Ads button. Guys, here you can see monetization option. You can monetize this game using AdMob, AppNext, Start.io, UnityAds, Advertise, Montag. You can type your banner ads unit ID of AdMob. If you want to monetize this game using UnityAds, then you can type your game ID. You can type your placement ID. You can type your game ID of UnityAds. You can type your interstitial ads placement ID. You can go on Unity platform. You can click on new button. You can type your project name. You can type your game name. Now you can click on create button. Now in next step you can click on monetization button. You can click on add app button. Guys, my application is not on Play Store. I'm going to select here this option. You can type your app name. You can select your platform. My application is for Android users. Click on continue button. You can select here no option. Click on add app button. Now click on placements. You can click on create placement button. You can select here your application. I have recently added this application. Click on continue button. Click on next button. Guys, here you can see my application name. Here you can see game ID. Here you can see placement ID. You can click here to copy this game ID. Now you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can paste your UnityAds game ID. You can scroll down, paste your UnityAds game ID. You can click here, paste your UnityAds game ID. Now you can paste your banner ads placement ID. You can go on UnityAds platform. Here you can see banner ads placement ID. Click here to copy this placement ID. Go on App Creator 24 platform. Paste your placement ID. You can scroll down. You can paste your interstitial ads placement ID. Go on UnityAds platform. Click here to copy this interstitial ads placement ID. You can go on App Creator 24 platform. Paste your placement ID. You can scroll down. You can paste your rewarded video ads placement ID. You can go on UnityAds platform. You can click here to copy this placement ID. Now you can paste here. Okay, after completing it, you can click on save button. Now you can click on download app button. Guys, here you can see app icon, here you can see app name, here you can see app description, here you can see download button. You can click here to download this application in APK format, or you can scan this code to download this game application in APK format. After downloading this app, you can run this app in your mobile device. Here you can see this game application is looking great. I have added 7 games in this game application. Here you can see Unity platform is displaying advertisements on this app. Similarly, you can make game application. You can monetize your game application using UnityAds. Unity platform can show advertisements on your application. For these advertisements, Unity platform may credit your account. After making game application, you can publish your game on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 gaming website. This is the most popular gaming website. If you will publish your game on this website, then you can get lots of game users. You can also publish your game on GameJolt platform. Here you can see lots of people have published games on this platform. Similarly, you can publish your game on this platform. You can get lots of users from GameJolt platform. Guys, if you want to learn more about game development, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.